This, coming out of lesson 60, is what is called loss of solution. Let's see, I'll find out the actual term. Loss of solution caused by division is what they call it. I don't know that it's necessarily that hard. Well, sine theta times cosine theta equals cosine theta. So I'm going to move out over here to an empty page where we can show this off. Okay, we got sine theta times cosine theta equals cosine theta. And one way you can look at this is that you could say xy equals y. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything on the same side. So I would end up subtracting this y over xy minus y equals 0. Okay? Now at this point, I do want to factor out. What can I factor out of both terms? Y. Okay? So I would get y times x minus 1. Right? Does that make sense? All right. No, not yet. All right, at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sub back in, right, so we see what we're working with. So y was cosine, correct? Yes. Okay, so we're saying that cosine theta times sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So because there's two things here and I'm multiplying, I'm actually going to solve both of them for 0. Okay, you with me? So where does cosine theta equal 0 at? Where on a, where does it equal 0 at? You're lost?
Like, I don't know, like, that's the answer I thought is with y-axis.
Cosine, and I don't know why this is giving me, it looks like it's giving me, because, I mean, cosine should be like 0 and 180 degrees, or actually, no, where does cosine equal 0 at? It's going to equal 0 on the y-axis, right? Okay, well, there's two places on the y-axis, either here or here, correct? Okay, that we work with. What is the degree of this first one? What is the degree of here, Haley? 90. Huh? Oh, I heard 180 and I thought it came from here. Huh? I heard 180 from somebody. Where's that one at? 270. All right. So cosine theta equals 0 at 90 and 270 degrees. Okay, and because theta is just theta, right? We're not dividing or multiplying. We can't go around any further. All right, so we've got this one. We understand that? Okay. Then the next thing that we're going to look at is sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So let's bring that over here. Sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So what do I need to do with that 1? Add it to the other side. So we're saying that sine theta equals 1. Where does sine equal 1 at? Where? At 90 degrees. All right. But because I'm already have 90 degrees as part of my solution, do I need to include 90 degrees again? No. So my answer is 90 and 270. Okay? Those are the solutions. Okay. And I think, we can go back to number 10. Let me scroll here. This is one of those weird cases. You know, it says solve sine theta cosine theta equals cosine theta. Is that the exact same question? Yes, it is. So we should get C, 90 and 270 for our answer there. We don't need to do that again, but hopefully we do understand how to solve that when we get different questions. All right, are we good to go there?
Yeah. What time is this question?
I don't know.